Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Version. Hey, look here for a second. Before we get into this video, I'm gonna show you basically how to draw lines and post emojis and make money online from your bedroom. Listen, the site is this. Go to flaticon.com. I'm gonna go very slow because I want you to get this. Now I make a ton of money online. I have like 15 different companies and money comes in automatically to my account every single day. So go to flaticon.com. So this site is a cool site. So you basically post emojis, right? And draw lines here and upload them to the site, and people here pay you every single day to do that, right? This site here is gonna pay you money online just to upload images like this. And listen, I'm gonna show you some cool ways and cool techniques to get it done. I mean, listen, you don't have to be a Picasso. You don't have to be an artist. It doesn't matter. You just have to do the work. How many of you are willing to do the work? Comment below. Take action now. I'm just curious. How many of you are willing to do the work? This is not for the lazy people. This is for people that want to lay butt naked in their bed like I'm doing right now, okay? And I'm looking at this beautiful view here. I'm in my bedroom. I'm relaxed. If you don't believe me, look at my feet. Look. See my feet? It's relaxed. See? Yeah. All right? So you can do this. I'm relaxed, and I'm doing this, okay? So this site here, it just allows you to basically upload images all day, emojis, lines, whatever, icons to the site, and they're gonna pay you money every single day. So what you wanna do is click on the word that says become a contributor, okay? And as you can see, I have one of these accounts here I've created here, but I wanna go from scratch. Let me see if I can start from scratch here. Okay, let me log out and let me create a new account for you, because I just wanna do this step by step. And the great thing about this, it is worldwide. Smash the like button, because I saw your comments below. You were asking me for a worldwide video, and I did it. I did it for you, big head. So show your boy some love. Smash the like button now. Thank you so much. All right, look, sign up here. And I like to have my username to be reflective of my goal. Now listen, stop for a second. Your username should be whatever your goal is. If it's $10,000 a month, $30,000 a month, $5 million a month, well, it should be your goal. My goal is billions of dollars, you know? I've already made like $50 million plus, so it's time to be a billionaire, you know? Because what I realized that even $1 million a month is not enough for Wesley Virgin to live his life the way I want to live. Sure, I got a jacuzzi on my balcony. Sure, I got this $1 million view. Yes, I have a couple of places around the world. Yes, I have 7 cars. So what? I want more, okay? That's just personal. That's just what I want. Listen, like I said in the beginning of this video, whatever you want for your life, that's personal. It's you. Don't let anybody shame you, tease you, or tell you what's not possible. Because I truly believe that we can have whatever we want as long as you use your thoughts and feelings effectively, as long as you change your behavior and have a mentor like yours truly here. Great things can take place in your life, but you got to follow through and listen. Okay, we're going to put an email address right here. Hold on. All right, password. I'm gonna make up a password. I just want to show you what you need to do, especially on the next screen. Pay attention, please, and don't skip through the video like some stupid people. I don't know why they do that, because you always miss something, you know? You always miss something here. All right. I think I already have billionaire. Hold on. All right, so I'm gonna create the account right here, and that's what you need to do. I'm gonna go here. Make sure you read this. It's very important here, so you understand how the licensing work with the emojis here. So read that. Once you finish reading here, scroll to the bottom, click that button, accept terms. If you're with me, smash the like button. If you love me, share the video. What I've learned is the only people that really share these videos are the people that really love what I do. Like I'm helping a lot of people. I have a ton of videos and a ton of ways to make money online. And the crazy thing is I'm actually using those ways to make money. And I love it when I get emails from you and shares and say, Wesley, thank you so much. I love you because you just giving so much value. People charge money for this, but, well, I don't, okay? So here you put in your name here. Let's put billions, whatever, right? And as you notice here, whatever country, see the country here? Afghanistan, Andorra, Angola, Argentina, Bahamas, Bahrain, Bangladesh. So it covers every country here. So can I get a like for that? I mean, I'm doing the work for you. I'm finding websites that actually will take care of your country here. So we'll put Costa Rica here. I'm not in Costa Rica, by the way, but I just selected that for no reason. Okay. And now you can see, boom, and then you just start uploading. It's that easy. You just start uploading icons to this website. Now, the question may be, okay, Wesley, where do I go to create the icons? I'm not an icon creator. Easy. That's what I want you to do. I want you to go to iconfinder.com. Go to that website, and listen, it's free. You don't have to pay none of this BS money here, okay? You don't, like I promised before, it's a free way to make money online. I promise you that. You scroll down to the bottom. So there's always those hidden gems that average people don't know about, which I do because I've had all the failure, right? It took me a long time to make money online. But once I figured it out, like you will right now, man, I make a ton of money. I make a lot, but not enough. So icon editor here, okay? You're gonna launch the editor here, and you're just gonna draw stuff. That's it. You can draw whatever you want. And the key is to be very creative. Be creative, because you just never know what people are going to buy. And people usually, they like to purchase things that are creative, right? So I don't know. I'm just drawing something here. And once you finish here, you click that word download icon, it downloads to your computer, and you just upload that to the site right here, okay? Back here again. Does it make sense? Go back to my dashboard. Yeah, you just upload it here. See? You go to my icons, like that, upload here, and you just drag and you just keep doing this. And remember, you got to have at least 20 to 50 icons per pack. So, like I said, make sure you read the site's details. Make sure you read the procedures and policies on the site. Whenever you start an internet company, make sure you read. Like a lot of you just don't read. Read the policies and the procedures here, okay, before you get started here. This video just gives you a short cookie cutter way to make money online on the computer by dragging and drop images right here, okay? Are you guys with me so far? Okay, and you just keep doing this over and over again. Now let me show you another way, because you might say, well, Wesley, I don't know how to draw a line. There's always somebody out there that has questions like that. Well, I don't know how to draw a line, Wesley. I don't know how to draw him. What if I'm not talented? Listen, a lot of you don't give yourself enough credit. Like, you're smart. You really are. But the problem is you self-deprecate so much. You say, oh, I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. And I'm like, come on. Give yourself some credit. It is not that difficult. You just have to do it. Take action on it. Maybe you failed the first time. Try it again. Maybe you failed the second. Try it again. And keep trying until you have the great view. It's kind of cloudy out there. But listen. All right, here we go. Go back to flaticon.com. Okay. Go back to flaticon.com. Scroll down and make it easier for you. Go to patterns generated, because that's all you're doing. You're uploading patterns to the website here. Okay. And then you just make a pattern here, right? Look, see that? How many of you right now will love to like this video and share it right now for me? I'm just curious. How many of you are getting value right now? How many of you are loving watching Wesley make all these different emojis right now? And listen, once you're done, you just download it. You just hit the download button. It downloads to your computer here, and you just upload it here, okay? And you do this over and over again. Now, listen, it's important to be creative, Think about, like, what I like to do. When I started making money on this site, this is what I did. Look, if I go to flaticon.com, okay, look at Flaticon's choice. So look at all the people's different icons. Now, listen, don't copy, but model what they're doing. These are people that are making hundreds of dollars, some every single day. And that's what you can be doing as well, but you got to do it, right? Like I told you guys before, there's no need to be innovative right now. Just model what other people are doing. These people are making money. Look, most popular packs of all time. Study them. That's how I got rich. That's how I got this great view, even though it's cloudy. I just studied other people's products that were very successful. I spent some time on it, and I got it. And I made like $30 million in a year. That was crazy, right? So listen, you can do it as well. It's not that hard, but you must take massive action. Now, smash the like button if I gave massive value. If I gave tremendous value, share the video and like it, okay? I mean, how many of you could do this? Many of you are right now, I know, like, Wesley, man, I love you, bro. And I appreciate that. I'm glad you guys love that I continue to do this. And the more that you like and share these videos now, I will do more videos for you like this because I want you making money. This is passive income, but in the beginning, you got to do the work. Now, how many of you are not that technical? You might say, well, Wesley, I love this video. I'm going to smash the like button. Hell, I'm going to give you a share because I like when you say, let's go. Appreciate that. But some of you are not technical people, and I get it. You're not a computer person, okay? So, for 10 people, this is what I'm going to do, okay? 10 people, I'm going to create your flat account for you, okay? Me and my developer, I'm going to hook you up with my developer, just the guy that does, like, I have hundreds of websites online, and they all make money, okay? I'm going to link you up with my developer for 10 people that want this now, okay? They can feel themselves transition their life from their job to an online business here. What we're going to do is we're going to create the account for you so you do it correctly, and we're going to upload 1 to 2 vector images to your account that we know that's very popular. Now listen, it's not a guarantee that you're going to make money. It's not a guarantee that you're going to make millions of dollars. I got to say that, but it is a guarantee that if we help you, you're more likely to make money because I'm a 10-year veteran in this industry, okay? Does that make sense? Like if you lost your job right now, this is perfect for you. If you're at home doing nothing, this is perfect for you. The pandemic screwed up your life. This is perfect for you, okay? Listen, we're going to do that for you. And guess what? I'm not going to charge you $10,000 to do that. I can easily charge you a lot of money because I'm experienced. And understand this, I have to afford this place, right? So I got to charge people, a substantial high premium rate. But for you, because I love you so much, guess what? Check it out. For $99, okay? I'm gonna give you a jump start. Only 10 people. That's the caveat. 10 people that email me right here. Do it for me at contactwest.com. Subject line must say, do it for me, Flaticon. If you decide to do that right now, I'm gonna get busy on your account, okay? And whatever we create, all you need to do is model that and keep creating more. Understand this, it's up to you on the amount of money that you want to make on this website. If you work hard over and over and over again, the more icons that you upload, the more likely that your icon will be purchased and downloaded, okay? It's just how it works, okay? So listen, if you have $99, okay? Now listen, if you don't have $99, I suggest you do it by yourself. You can do this. That's why we started this video, that I can do this. If you believe you can, go get it done. You don't really need me. But I'm here if you need me to give you a boost. Some people are in their 50s and 60s and they don't know what a Palm Pilot is. They don't know anything about the internet. They don't know what an iPhone is. Like, I think my parents, they just got iPhones a couple of years ago. I'm not sure. And they just now are texting. They're on Facebook. That's how they watch my videos, from Facebook, by the way. I love them. I love them to life. But yeah. But listen, if you're not a technical person, email me right here. And you're ready to invest $99 in yourself for me to help you through this process. Listen, if you don't need my help, don't email me right now, okay? And listen, if you're number 11, because I get a lot of complaints. People say, I emailed you 15 times, but you were late, okay? You were late. If you're number 11, I'm only going to take 10 people because I can't help everybody on the planet personally. Does that make sense? So it's only 10 people that are willing to take action right now that want to succeed faster. If you want to succeed slowly, that's cool. But if you want to do it faster and be able to live your dreams faster, to be able to leave your job faster, to be able to travel the world faster, sooner than other people, to come out of this pandemic winning, email me right now. I love you so much. This is Wesley. $1 billion dollar virgin. Let's go.